There was a time beautiful girls and biryani was only part of my dreams. But now Bhendi and these kind of healthy breakfast. This is what I dreamt, this is what I made. They say AI is future, but today I was utterly failed. I wanted to eat okra so desperately for breakfast and I tried for a recipe on AI. You know what I got? Okra smoothie. What I did is I took okra, put in the microwave, just cooked it a little bit, add some butter in a pan and add these pieces of okra. Okay, these okra are cooked for 2 minutes in microwave. So I am going to just add salt, some garlic, toss it till the butter melts and let it cook on a slow flame. Butter, salt and green chilli. That's all will make your okra very, very tasty. So look at this and mix it. Simply putting in a plate and putting in the microwave for 2 minutes will make your okra cook much faster without much gooey-gooiness. Aha, perfect. Let's make the bread omelette. Add little butter in a pan, crouton size bread pieces. Let this cook till the bread slightly browns on one side. That will give a nice crunchy effect. The croutons are slightly crunchy. We already added little butter, so no more butter. Just break eggs on top. Just spread this. Finally, sprinkle some chili powder. That should be good enough. Turn it to the other side. Now you have to see the crunchy bread. Wow. And even I can't believe myself, okra is on the side. There was a time beautiful girls and biryani was only part of my dreams. But now Bhendi and these kind of healthy breakfast. Who would eat or who would want to eat Bhendi for breakfast? This is what I dreamt, this is what I made. Being a chef, I know the taste and everything. This will be really good. The bread part will be so good, nice, crunchy. I didn't even add salt in the egg because the bread will have, but okra on top of it. Aha. The number one reason I am enjoying okra so much because this is organic and from my farm. I never imagined that one day I would be relishing okra as if I am eating biryani. Fried okra and chapati, I know many people love to eat it. Even with rice it will be great. But with a simple fried egg with this nice croutons, this is just out of the world. Super healthy and super tasty. The green chilli spice on this. Wow.